Welcome in our geography session for standard 12th by Deshmukh madam. In previous video we discussed about the introduction of world's major industrial region. Now in this video we discuss the first major industrial region, which is from the North America. The industrial region in North America. There are several industrial regions in North America. Among them, some important industrial regions are introduced in our syllabus. First, United States of America and a region adjoining to Canada. This is the first industrial region in USA or North America. Then second, the New England region. It is also east coast of North America. Then New York, Mid-Atlantic region, and next Midwestern region, then Northeastern region, Southern region, and Western region. These are the important 8 regions from North America. About the location of this industrial region, at the east coast of North America, there is important industrial region like a New England industrial region, then New York industrial region, Mid-Atlantic industrial region. This is a Eastern Texas region. It is a Western region which is located on the Pacific coastline of west side of North America. Then Northwest region, it is also located on the west coastline of North America. Now about North America, there is a physical feature related with North America. The location of their plateau plain and mountains are there. Among them, there is a Great Plain area is here. The prairie region is in the middle part of USA, and towards the north of Canada there is a Great Plain region. Then this west coastal area or west boundary of North America is covered by the Rocky Mountain region. Then the east coast is there is the location of a Appalachian Mountain, which is also Old Fold Mountain. Due to the erosion of this Appalachian, there is a coastal plain is also developed at the east coast of North America. It is very supportive for the development, economical development of North America. Then Appalachian Mountain is also important for the higher mineral reservoirs. Then here is a Great Lake region. Then Mississippi and its tributaries are also covered this region of North America. There are also availability of man-made canal which join to Mississippi and its tributaries and this Great Lake region, 5-lake region. Now we discuss about the physical factor which affecting the location of this industrial region in North America. The first, varied range of relief and climate is there. We discuss about this point. There are the mountain regions and the plain, extensive plain. There is also prairie plain, and the north Great Plain is also there, which is very important and supportive for the for the development of industrial region in North America. Location of North America just across Europe also. There is one of the most important continent, that is a European continent, is also near to the North America. This North America and European, Western European region is attached to each other with the cheapest transportation mode, that is a ocean water transportation. There is a North Atlantic water route is very important and famous about the transportation in between North America and European continent. So that European continent and its economical development, industrial development is also supportive for North America. Third, rich reservoirs of mineral resources is there. The Appalachian Mountain is supportive for the reservoirs availability. There is a coal and iron ore are the main deposits are located in Appalachian Mountain region, which is also important for the development. Agricultural products used as a raw material. The several agro-based industries are also there. The cotton textile is one of the important agro-based industry which is depend on the southern part of USA. The raw material is available in the southern USA and the industries is located at the New England region of North America. Then large river and the great lake, these are also important for the water availability as well as water transportation, inland water transportation. Then broken coastline, it is also responsible for the availability of natural port, which is also play an important role in the international water transportation. In this way, we complete the physical factor first. Now, about human factor, which human factor is supportive for the industrial development or industrial region and their location in North America. Availability of huge capital is there. North America is a very economically developed region in the world. That's why the capital availability is there, which is supportive for the industrial development. Good communication system is there. There is a world highest developed communication center is there. IT hub is there. That it is located in Silicon Valley in California. So the about the communication system, America, North America is also very developed. Export of facilities. There is a all types of transportation network is there, which is support to export facilities. Then cheap and skilled labor availability is there. Through the migration from Asian continent, the skilled labor in a cheap wages is available in North America. The number of people are migrated towards the USA from Asian continent. Then vast market is also there. The North America is one of the richest continent, where there are the Canada, USA and Mexico. These are the highly developed countries are there. That's why the developed market like Chicago, New York are there, which is one of the richest market availability is there for the production which produce in a industrial region in North America. The development of inland water, rail, transportation and ports are also available in this region. In North America, there is a highly developed water transportation, inland water as well as international water transportation is also available. New York, New England, then mid-Atlantic region, it is located at the coastal part of east coast of North America, as well as at the west coast there is also industrial region. So the international water transportation is also available, as well as the rail transportation which is developed from east coast of North America to west coast of North America in Canada as well as in USA is there. These are very play an important role in the transportation of raw material and finished product from a east coast to west coast. In the and the ports like for the water transportation are also available due to the broken coastline. In this way, we can discuss a human as well as physical factor which are play an important role in the development of North American Industrial Region. Okay, thank you.